Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set sale prices for products with variants in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to display sale prices to your customers, making those discounts clear, compelling, and trustworthy. Whether you're gearing up for a big promotion, want to highlight markdowns on specific product variations, or just need a refresher on Shopify's price settings, this video will have you covered. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Products tab. This is the main hub where you'll find all your inventory, and it's also the starting point for adjusting prices. Here, you'll see a list of every product you offer, including those with different sizes, colors, or other options. These are your variants. Take a look and choose the specific product you want to put on sale. For example, if you sell t-shirts in multiple colors and sizes, pick the one that you want to discount or highlight. Once inside the product details page, you'll notice each variant listed separately. Shopify makes it easy to manage each one individually, so you're not stuck applying the same change across all variants if you don't want to. You can actually change the price directly for any variant here, but to set a sale price, the kind where the original price appears crossed out and the new price stands out, you'll need to use the Compare at Price feature. This is the key to showing both the regular and sale price side by side, which instantly communicates savings to your shoppers. Now, to adjust multiple variants at once, Shopify has a powerful tool called bulk editing. Look for the Edit button. Sometimes it's labeled as Edit Variants or just Edit, and select it. If you have a lot of variants, this bulk edit view will save you a ton of time and clicks. It opens up a spreadsheet-like window showing all your variants and their details. At the top of this window, find the Add Fields or Add Column option and click it. You want to add the Compare at Price column. Think of this as adding another piece of information to each variant, just like adding a new column in Excel. This feature is what allows you to display the original non-sale price right next to your discounted price. Now, fill in the Compare at Price for each variant you want to put on sale. For example, if your red t-shirt in medium was originally $25, enter $25 in that box, even if you plan to sell it right now for $18. The Compare at Price should always be higher than the sale price you set, otherwise the system won't indicate a sale. Don't worry if you need to pause and consider your pricing strategy here. It's worth getting right so your deals really stand out. After entering your Compare at Prices, simply save your changes. Shopify will process the update. It may take a few seconds if you've edited several variants, so don't stress if it seems to pause briefly. Once everything is saved, hit back to return to your products list. And here comes my favorite part, previewing your store. Click Preview to see how your changes appear to your customers. Now, you should see the original price crossed out and the sale price highlighted, giving a clear, professional look to your promotion. It's a great way to build trust and urgency with shoppers. People love seeing exactly how much they're saving. And that's all there is to it. Setting sale prices for product variants on Shopify is quick, but those few details can make a huge difference in how your discounts are displayed. If you enjoyed this walkthrough or have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help out. Make sure to like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Shopify tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.